Prior to Tuesday, a district court had prohibited the Trump administration from executing mass firings of federal employees while his executive order, which calls for large-scale reductions in force, faced legal challenges. However, the Supreme Court later granted Donald Trump's emergency request to lift the injunction. Following the Supreme Court's decision, Rubio's State Department initiated its first wave of dismissals, terminating more than 1,300 employees. This included 1,107 civil service workers and 246 foreign service personnel, as part of a reduction in force impacting 3,000 employees. The remaining 1,600 personnel had apparently already opted for incentivized voluntary departures. This action appears to be just the beginning for the State Department, as Marco Rubio aims to reduce the department's domestic workforce of 18,000 by 18%. The American Foreign Service Association criticized these cuts as misguided and poorly timed. In their statement, they expressed concern, at a time of significant global instability, with conflicts in Ukraine, tensions between Israel and Iran, and authoritarian regimes challenging international order, the United States has chosen to significantly reduce its frontline diplomatic workforce. We strongly oppose this decision. In less than 6 months, the U.S. has lost at least 20% of its diplomatic workforce through the closure of institutions and forced resignations. Losing more diplomatic expertise at this critical global moment is a severe blow to our national interests. Justice Ketanji Brown Jackson filed a dissent on Tuesday, criticizing the Supreme Court's decision for enabling Trump to wield a wrecking ball. This metaphorical wrecking ball has now made its initial impact, with more expected as the president continues his efforts to dismantle parts of the federal government. This move endangers the livelihoods of hundreds of thousands of government workers and affects countless Americans who rely on their services.